These are the fruits that's been in the fridge for 3 days. What's in here is rum and red label wine. And what's inside is 8 ounces of cherry, 5 ounces of raisin, and about 1 cup of prune. And we're gonna half of a lime and 1.5 lime zest. We're gonna add vanilla, almond extract, brown sugar, flour, and 5 eggs. So also we have nutmeg and the browning that we're gonna add to the cake. That's the ingredients I have. And also I have 1 stick of butter, which this is so big so it could be 2 sticks, which is for 1 cake. 2 sticks of butter. So that's what you need to put. I'm adding 1 cup of brown sugar. This is ready, nice and thick. One and a half lime zest, half of a lime, and this is the fruits, and this is how much I have. So far I've used maybe half of the bottle. It's not getting black enough. 1.5 cup of flour. This is 1 cake, portion for 1 cake. I'm going to grease a hot pan. This is how the cake look after baking for 2.5 hours. I'm gonna add the ingredients into the description bar and you can check out the recipe. And take note, I didn't add nutmeg and I also didn't add any baking powder. I just didn't want that inside of it. That's optional for me, so you can follow the ingredients. This is optional. I'm gonna add some rum onto the top. So I'm gonna leave it to soak. Okay, and then I'll cut it and let you see how that looks. It's the next day and this is how it looks. I had a piece and I'm gonna show you how it looks when you cut it. It's very moist. That's why I didn't want to put baking powder. Very soft. Let me show you when you break it. Smells nice, tastes amazing.